Hey there guys, this is Cameron and this is a brief video on how to use the staker. So when you first get your staker, it's going to come with two stickers just for swag. You're going to have your micro SD card adapter just in case you ever have to do any type of advanced maintenance. We provide it just in case. As well as you'll get a power cord for the staker and the actual staker unit itself. Now it is to plug it all in. First thing you gotta do, plug in the power to a power outlet. Depending on which country you're in, you're going to get a power outlet that is compatible with your country. EU get a U, US gets US, and so on. Then take the power, plug it into the board. Pay attention to the lights that come on. You see that the red light has come on, now the blue lights come on a bit more faint. The red light coming on is indicating that power is on the board. The blue light coming on is indicating that the operating system has booted up correctly. Once both these lights are on, you're good to go to install the Ethernet. Ethernet goes into a standard port on the staker that looks like it would on any other computer. And you just plug it in. And it's plugged in. You'll see the little light, coming on the Ethernet indicating the data is going back and forth. Right now the staker is making a connection. Because it's standard Ubuntu, it'll use the DHCP settings of your local router. After that, you're ready to see it come onto a computer. Alright, so after you get everything plugged in for the staker, the most complicated part is going to be finding the IP address of the staker. This is going to have to be done with the brand of router that you have. You're going to want to visit the home address of your router so that you can use it to see the device list of everything that's connected to it right now. So for example, I have AT&T. I have an AT&T branded router, so I'm going to look for AT&T default router IP. And there's going to be a number of options. You're not going to get a specific answer to this, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on a couple of them. And all of them are going to have about the same information as far as the very first step being go to this IP address in your web browser that's connected to the Wi-Fi of whatever you're trying to use. We got the IP address. So you just paste that IP address into your web browser as if it's a website. And it'll bring you to your router setting page. On here, there's going to be some type of feature named device list. Mine is right here at the top. And for whatever coin you're working with, like say if you buy, for instance, the example staker I'm using right now is a Mazacoin staker. So you're going to want to look for a device named Mazacoin. If you have multiple coins, your device is going to be named Crypto Wallet. So you're going to want to look for that. Since this is just a single coin though, we're just going to take the IP address found right here. And the same way we just plugged in the IP address for the home IP on the router, we're going to want to do the same thing with this IP address, except we're going to want to put Mazacoin after it. And once you do that, you're presented for your password. My password is extremely complex. And from here, I'm having internet connections with the staker, mind you, forgive me, but from here you'll have all the same basic Qt functionality that you would if you installed a Qt on your own computer. Also, for every coin, whenever you click on an address or a transaction, it's going to take you to a block explorer for that cryptocurrency. For instance, with Mazacoin, here's the block explorer for Mazacoin, or a block explorer. Also, you can come to the settings page. In the settings page, you can do things like you can download your wallet.dat file. This comes directly from the device. It's only transferring across your network. So it'll be a fast download and everything, but it's an easy way to get the wallet.dat file from your staker to your local computer, so you can do whatever you want with it. Then you can also delete the wallet.dat file right here. Update your password. And more features will be coming soon in future versions of the staker, but that's the basic functionality of version 1.0. Thank you.